Guys, welcome back to another video about Decentraland Mana token. Mana token is already trending token in the market, and today a lot of people are talking about Mana token, that what's going on, what's the target, what's the price of Mana token in the future. Is in the future of Mana token the price is pump or dump? So let me show you guys. Let's do a price prediction for Mana. But before starting this video, guys, if you're new, if you don't subscribe, so make sure to subscribe for more news and update videos. The currently latest price of Mana token is about 5.09 USD dollar. That is the currently price. In other side, if we talk about the changes, so 13.85% positive changes occur in the Mana token. The changes is absolutely going positive, guys. So I hope that you are all feeling well due to these positive changes. A trading volume, guys, if we talk about the trading volume of Mana token, so as I told you in the start of this video that a lot of people are talking about Mana token. So guys, still as you can see on the front of your eyes, 50 to 51, guys, the trading volume increased. 50% people invest in your Mana token in last 24 hours. Just in last one day, 50% people invest in Mana token, guys. So absolutely, as a result of these investor, the price becomes more and more positive, guys. 14% price is now positive, guys. So now the price going to the moon. Just hold for a long time. Hope it will give you huge profit, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your price prediction for Mana token? Please also share your personal opinion in the comment box, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more update and news videos about cryptocurrency market.